Afternoon, YouTubers here. Whoa! Right, we are going for the money shot. So, injector pipes are loose. We have oil. That was double checking anyway, because we like to do that. Yeah, we've got oil. We got water. We got diesel, but the system's been evacuated. We've got all the electric lines on. We got the water pump belts on. Crank pulley's not torqued. What else have we got? I think we're good to go, really. Neutral. Oh, that's disappointing because we got no glow plugs. Right. So, no glow plugs. Well, I'm having a scene here, remember? The reason we haven't got any, probably why we haven't got any glow plugs is I haven't put the ECU back on. Across the old fart. Still got no glow plugs. Oh well, see if we can get any diesel up. Where have we got any glow plugs? I think we're going to lose the battery before we get the diesel up. Which is not conducive to a fire up today. Where have we got any glow plugs? What else do I need for? Oh, hang on. Just double check I've still got. Yeah, I've got a signal on there. Yes, glow plugs. Alright, we've got fuel on a couple of cylinders. Didn't see any on number one though. Oh, it is there. Certainly have fuel in 2 and 3. A bit wet on number one. Oh, I've been a little bit tight on 4. I didn't see anything weeping. The story with the glow plugs before when they didn't work was there was just a random wire hanging down not doing anything, so I thought, well, let's just connect it out to an earth. And the glow plug started working. heat cycle into it. Then I'll fully board it up and we'll go for a spin. Right, maybe I don't have to scream over here, but yeah. There you have it. Live and direct. It sounds a little bit crackly. I might just have to retard the timing a bit. See what he's like out on the road. Yeah, it just sounds like he's got a bit of a diesel crack to it. It runs! We're starting early today, again. Of course, you know what I've done now though, don't you? Now I've made a decent engine for this thing, it means I can't treat it like shit anymore and try to destroy it. Oh dear. Right, how are we doing? Oh, we're getting out of temperature. Right, we'll let them have a little heat cycle then and off for a ride in the morning. Later.